Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing good. I am also fine here. Today at Thaaz Passion, let's prepare a pocket shawarma or cone shawarma. Check out the ingredients. Let's get started. Here I am taking 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of tomato, 2 tablespoon of carrot, 3 tablespoon of cucumber and 3 tablespoon of cabbage. The veggies you can choose as per your wish. You can also avoid the tomatoes and onions. Taken 150 gram of shredded chicken. Cook this chicken by adding half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and enough salt. First, cut the crust from all the sides by using scissor or knife. Now roll the bread as thin as you can by using roller pin. Make it flat as much as you can do. To stick the bread, we need to make a paste. Make a paste by adding 1 tablespoon of maida and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Now apply the paste on one side and stick it from the other side. Make a cone shape and stick it. Now it's ready. Continue same with the other bread. Now it's ready. Now we need to make a shallow fry of this. For this we need 2 eggs, adding half teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 2.5 teaspoon of milk and mix it well, adding enough salt and mix it thoroughly till it well combine. So the batter is ready. Now dip the bread in the batter and drop it in the oil. Drop it one by one and let's shallow fry this. Let the flame be medium. Now flip it to other side and cook it for 30 seconds and take it. If you like crispiness, you can also deep fry this. Now it's ready. Let's make the filling for this. Always try to make the fillings before you serve. So add all the ingredients in a mixing bowl. Add the shredded chicken also. Now add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. As we are using mayonnaise in this, no need to add more salt into it. Mix well. Now add 2.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix it thoroughly till it well combine. Now it's ready. Let's fill the cone. Apply some tomato ketchup inside the cone and fill it with the fillings. can have as it is, or you can decorate with the ketchup or mayonnaise. Now our pocket shawarma is ready to serve. If you like the taste of shawarma, then give it a try and let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please share with your loved ones. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for the notification. Thanks for watching.